Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this week we're going to talk about how to fix Nintendo Switch games keep corrupting or damaging. So how we can fix this up? So when you're having this trouble, all you have to do is, if the issues with any particular game, what you need to do is we just need to uninstall the game and we have to reinstall it back. If you're having an issue with the Asphalt Legends, Inside or Cooking Tycoon or any one of these, if you're having an issue with these, just select the respective game, you have to uninstall it, you have to try reinstalling it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. After trying with this, if the issue is still there, what you need to do is we just need to update your Nintendo Switch. For updating the system, just go over here in the settings, over here system settings. Now from here we just need to scroll down and navigate to system. Now there is an option called system update. Make sure that it is up to date. So I think I have not yet connected to the Wi-Fi. So make sure that it is, yes, as you can see, it's not connected. So I just need to go to the internet setting, connect the Wi-Fi. Once after the Wi-Fi is connected, just update your OS. After the update is successfully done, just try and whether the issue is solved or not, because updates even can cause the issue up, because if the game is not launching or if it's crashing it all the time, it has to do or deal something with the software update. So try doing the same. Even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, the last and the least is all about we have to replace the SD card. Sometimes the SD card might be corrupted, that is why you are having the issue. So just replace the SD card. Afterwards, try launching the game and see whether the issue is solved. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.